Okay guys, look at that. We can now walk through here. Yay! Okay, so my path is back. Now we gotta go over there and start cutting them all to length. So we'll get that started and we shall see you in a little bit. Holy macaroni and cheese. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my main teleposts for the main floor cut. A whole bunch of my ceiling ones are cut. Some of my 8-foot walls are cut. As you can see, I've been busting my bum. I got 2 of my 21 footers. 2 out of what, 18? Long way to go there. I was going to use this one, but it's already kind of, I don't know, I don't like it. So I'll cut it up. I'm going to use it for waste not whatnot. I won't use it in my cabin, but I'll use it for the float weights for the outhouse. So I'll put them on the ground and then I'll build the outhouse on top of it. I'll just cut them up into sections. Because I don't like to waste nothing. But the top half of that tree I made into 7-footers that I could use on the inside of the cabin. So it sure opened up a lot. Anyway, so I gotta cut a bunch of 20 more. I'm so tired. So I got that one cut and that one cut. Gotta cut that one, so I got 2 cut. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 more to cut, so that'll be 8. Then I'll only need 10 more, the longer ones. Man, I'm tired. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so that's it for today. Cut up a bunch more logs. I'll be back tomorrow, and then it's going to be about a week before I can come back because Jim's going to his off-grid place, so I have to stay with Ma in town, and then when he comes back I'll be back again next week. So yeah, so anyway, we got lots to do and I'm tired and I'm going home. Bye.